So I've been using the Sonicare toothbrush for years, possibly decades. But the model I use, the E-Series, is so old that they no longer carry the replacement toothbrush heads at my local Costco. Also, the new replacement heads they do carry at Costco, they seem kind of pricey. Even if you wait for a sale, when you break it down, they're still about $6.25 each. So since I couldn't get what I needed at Costco, I thought I'd check Amazon. And I ended up finding these replacement heads from Heepim. So let's see, they fit my toothbrush. 6 heads for $20, so the price is right. They got lots of reviews, seem pretty positive. And these people look pretty stoked, so I don't think I could pass up this deal. So let's see what I got. And here they are. So a quick note, the scribbling on the box, that's for me. I got these back in January, so I immediately wrote down each date where I was supposed to swap out a new replacement head. I also put this info in my Google Calendar, so obviously I'm a pretty happening dude. So I got these back in January. I wanted to try out the first replacement head for the full 3 months just to make sure everything was okay. And it worked out really well. So I didn't notice any major differences between these replacement heads and the regular Sonicare branded replacements that I've used in the past. They screw onto the toothbrush in the same way, and once it's attached, the toothbrush acts and sounds as it always has. So to sum things up, I got 6 replacement heads in the box. Price-wise, they break down to about half the cost I was paying before. Started using the first head back on January 1st, there around. And I just switched off to a new one, the second head, on April 1st. Thus far, I've had no issues, and I hope to continue using these for as long as my old Sonicare holds out. So all in all, a good deal. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.